Open new Canva project and drop your image. Adjust the size. And let's duplicate. Keep one copy here. Click on the first one. Go to edit, blur, whole image. Increase the intensity to 45. And place the second one. Go to elements and type shadow frame graphics. Choose this one. Let's adjust the size and place it in the middle. And crop it exactly with the border of this element. And let's bring the same image again. Place it in the top of the layers. Remove the background and let's crop it like this. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.